Today, I'll show you the investment zones that have historically been favorable areas to start investing in Bitcoin. On the screen, you can see two indicators that I use. The first indicator shows the overall trend environment, trend up or trend down. The second indicator highlights the invest zone, which is the area I use for long-term investing. Right now, the market is in a trend down environment and the cycle indicator is in a wait zone. So today, I'll focus only on the historical moments when the indicator entered the invest zone. To make this clearer, let's look at the past examples. April 2014, the market enters trend down. October 2014, Bitcoin moves into the value area. This is where long-term investors begin paying closer attention. August 2015, Bitcoin enters the invest zone. After that, the trend eventually turns up and a new growth phase begins. November 2018, the trend turns down again. December 2018, Bitcoin reaches the invest zone. Price moves slightly lower afterward, but this area becomes a strong long-term investment zone. March 2020, a sharp market crash. At the same time, Bitcoin enters the invest zone, and shortly after the price starts moving higher. 2022, the market enters trend down. June 2022, Bitcoin moves into the invest zone and shortly after into the value area. This wasn't the absolute bottom, but it turned out to be a very strong investment area. From that zone, Bitcoin later increased by roughly 500%. These zones are not about timing the bottom. They help investors understand where long-term investing has historically made sense. If you want to follow these zones and invest step by step together, consider liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with others.